Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about clearing the cache and cookies of your Google Chrome browser. This is a very simple process, so let's jump right into it. So open your Google Chrome browser, go to the three dots on the top right corner and then go to More Tools and Clear Browsing Data. Here in Basic tab, you can select the time range, select all time, and you can also browse the Advanced tab. You can select browsing history, download history, cookies. Make sure to select the cached images and files and then press clear data. This will clear all the cache and cookies of your browser. So that's it. You can close the browser. Thank you for watching the tutorial. If you want more tutorials like this, please make sure to subscribe channel. I will catch you in the next videos. Bye.